Hello everyone, welcome to our 330 subscriber special. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'll be giving you a full tour of all the elevators at IKEA in Sheffield. So let's get to it. Now to the first elevator, which leads you up to the level 1 and -1 being locked off. Here it is. Nice crunch. You coming in? Yeah. Capacity in this one is 33 persons, 2,500 kilos. Installed 2017. Look at this advanced door opening. Very good. The elevator which leads you up to the showroom. All of these elevators I'm filming today are Cornet monodroids. Oh, it's busy today. Oh, here it comes. This one does not have a clone from the doors. Capacity 33 persons, 2,500 kilos, installed 2017. You're at 2. And now we'll skip and go over to the market hall ones. Now to the next elevator. That one's out of order, no idea why though. So we've only got one elevator which we can ride. These are Cornet monodroids MRLs. This one has really nice advanced door opening, but it does not have a voice though. Oh, watch out, Paul. Get a bit of door drawers in action. So I think we'll leave these ones here because with the left one being out of action, it's going to be a pain in the butt to try and film the other one on the right because the left one's out of action. So I think we'll leave it here. So the massive exit elevators, which has a massive capacity of 66 people, 5,000 kilograms, and we're going to do 2 journeys in it. This one has lost its voice since the last time I came here. Bit disappointing. Yeah, this one's lost its voice. We'll send this one back on up to 1, and we'll get the other elevator. Let's see if the other one has a working voice on it, eh, Paul? I'm going to get in this one now. Just had to adjust the brightness there. Yeah, this one has a working voice. Capacity 66 persons, 5,000 kilograms. This one does a speed of 1 meter a second. Nice clunk. Let's hear it. And that's it.